Printing is one of the ways you get the hard copy of your document. In this video, we are going to see how we can print from our Microsoft Word. It's a simple process, and I will guide you through in these step-by-step processes. You will learn how you can print just a single page from the list of the pages you have. You also see how you can print range of pages from the pages you have in your document, and you also see how you can print the whole of the document. Let's get started. In order for you to print, you can come over to your File tab, click on it, then you will see print from here. And so this is one way you can call up the print command in your Microsoft Word. Another way you can call it up is Ctrl P. So when you click this, you discover that this print command comes up. You may also have it under your quick access toolbar. If it is enabled, you just click on it and it will come up for you. So meanwhile, let me click on my Ctrl P and you will notice that this has actually come up. Now, if you look at this document, you will understand something, that we have up to 7 pages of this document. If you come over here and you just click print, the whole of these 7 pages will get printed for you, and it is going to be one copy of these 7 pages. That tells you that the whole of these 7 pages is going to be printed. Now, if you increase this to 2 copies, it tells you that the whole of these 7 pages is going to be printed into 2. That's when you need like 2 copies of your document. If you come up to this very place where we have printer, this is where you see the list of the printers installed in your system. If you click on it, you will see all of them. You can just select the particular one that is ready to be used in printing your work. And so any one you select, the document goes straight to that particular printer. And so this is where you make the selection of the printer you wish to use in printing that particular work. Now, if you come up to this very place where we have settings, it says print all pages. That tells you the whole 7 pages are going to be printed. Now, if you click on it and you see print this current document, the first page is the current page. That tells you the current page, being the first page, is going to be printed in this particular document. If you still come up here, you see we have custom print. This is where you can actually specify the particular page or the range of pages you wish to print. If I wish to print like from page 1 to 3, you can see the way I separated it. And if I still wish to print like page 6, I use comma to separate them. And so that's how you can print a range of pages. Just use dash to connect them. If you wish to print just a particular page from this whole document, let's say page 6, you just type 6, which is page 6, and that tells you the page 6 is going to be printed. And if you have like say print page 3, print page 6, you just use comma to separate them. Print page 7, you can see the way it is being separated so that it doesn't conflict when you are printing them. Of course, these are some other settings, page settings, that you can do whenever you wish to print your document. If you are done setting the pages you want to print, you can just click on this very place and it will just be printed for you. And so this is an easy way you can set up your page and print your document in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like this video, and hit that subscribe button if you've not subscribed to this channel, so that you get notified of when we upload new videos.